I welcome you all to the closing ceremony of the summer camp. Summer camp is a venue where friends are made memories and creative and dreams trace flights. So I am filled with profound sense of gratitude and pride over the past 21 days you all have embarked on the journey of learning and fun. And what a remarkable journey it has been. For this, I would like to first and foremost, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Reverend Father Principal, Father Renish, Vice Principal, Father Jackson, for providing this wonderful plot for you all. I would like to thank all the mentors as your unwavering dedication and hard work has been the backbone of this summer camp. I also thank each and every participant and their parents as your contribution has been the pillar of this camp. Now reflecting on the events you all have been fortunate to experience, a wealth of different activities like basketball, football, cricket, badminton, skating, taekwondo, gymnastics, table tennis, dance, where you have learned sharing and growing together. Now it is the time to reward you all for your hard work. So for this, I would like to invite respected Gulshan Sir for the further proceedings.
The memories, beneficent monuments, and the memorials may skip into oblivion, but the words of appreciation, a word of gratitude may etch its presence in our mind. So we express heartfelt appreciation for your contribution and the guidance to our beloved students. Here I would like to invite Reverend Father Jackson for presenting certificates and mementos to our mentors, teacher and coach. First of all, I would like to call basketball coaches, Sanjay sir, Poonam ma'am, please come on the stage. A big round of applause for her. Dilip Chaudhary sir. Children, once again, big round of applause for all the teachers, coaches and momenters. Now, I would like to invite some of our students to share their experiences during this camp. Please come. Game-wise, if I see, first of all, basketball, any child, please come and share your experiences.
Good morning to one and all present here. Firstly, I would like to thank Reverend Father Principal for organizing the summer camp. This summer camp was very special to me. I enjoyed a lot. I made many friends. The game starts with a very good environment, with full of energy, with fresh air around us. The main important points that I learned in the summer camp is that discipline is very important in order to learn something. The team spirit, the cooperation and coordination with the team members also plays an important role. I would like to thank Sanjay sir and Poonam ma'am for their proper support and guidance that helped me to build as a person. Thank you.
Good morning, Reverend Father, Father Jackson, Sister Jenna, and all my dear friends. Today I am nervous standing before you all to share my experience of this summer camp, which has provided a golden opportunity to me. We all students were under the guidance of our coaches. They have put a lot of effort on us. Early in the morning, we used to start our day with light warm-up exercise followed with routine exercise. Until now, I have learned many tricks and techniques of badminton. Summer camp has helped us to maintain our health. I thank both the fathers and all our coaches who helped us to enhance our game. Thank you.
A very scintillating morning to Reverend Father Jackson, Sister Jana, and to all the respected coaches. I have been part of this summer camp in the football team for past 2 years. And what I have learned is that the indulging in football activities not only help us to just sharpen our skills in football area, but also in real life situation. It teaches us many things like tolerance, perseverance, and handling many more situations with discipline. At last, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to Reverend Father Principal who organized such a wonderful camp and make it a memorable one. Thank you very much.
Good morning, Father Principal, teachers, coaches, and all my dear friends. Today, I am Karan to speak of summer camp. To speak on summer camp. मैंने इस वर्ष समर कैंप में भाग लिया जिसके अंदर बहुत से खेल सिखाए जाते हैं और खिलाए जाते हैं। समर कैंप के अंदर क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, टेबल टेनिस, बैडमिंटन और अन्य खेल खिलाए जाते हैं। मैंने इस वर्ष क्रिकेट में भाग लिया है जिसके अंदर हमें राहुल सर, अकम सर खेलना सिखाते हैं। हम इस सब से क्रिकेट खेलना सीखते हैं और सर बहुत सी ट्रिक्स सिखाते हैं। थैंक यू।
First of all, good morning, Father, teachers, and good morning to all. During this summer camp, I took part in gymnastics. Thanks to the best sir who told me and taught me what is gymnastics. Do you know what is gymnastics? I tell you. Gymnastics is a mother of all sports. Gymnastics is a combo of different exercises performed on different equipments. Gymnastic equipments such as floor exercise, bolting table, high bar, uneven bar, etc. Thanks to Father to organize this summer camp. Thank you.
These are the experiences they have learned during this summer camp. So next time I say this stand is nearby 250, but next year it will be 500. Okay? So over to ma'am for the next proceeding.
Thank you, sir. At last, I would like to invite Reverend Father Jackson to share his thoughts. Father, please.
Respected Sister Jaina, respected coaches, and my dear students, good morning to all of you. So how are you all? Enjoyed the summer camp? So very well. The vibrant, your reply seems that you all enjoyed the summer camp. I'm glad that what we organized didn't go waste. We organized summer camp so that the qualities, the talents, the abilities, the strengths, the weaknesses that you have to identify, the weaknesses to overcome, and the strengths to encourage. So many got different strengths, is it? Yes or no? So many also got the weaknesses. Every game, every activity got its positive and negative aspects. So identifying the positive and encouraging that positive aspect is where helps the summer camp. As also when to identify your negative things or the weaknesses. Like I am weak in this, so I need to help, I need to grow. So there are different activities were conducted. Basketball matches were there, table tennis was there, cricket was there, football was there, badminton was there, dance was there, gymnastics was there, skating was there, taekwondo was there. So all are not same, is it? All are not same. All got different abilities, calibers, talents. So you're identified as I'm good at this particular game. I need to improve on this particular game. So we have given a platform to all of you, and most of your participants, almost 250 students participated. It's a great number. Where you sacrificed your summer holidays and came and undertook this summer camp, which will be beneficial for you when you go forth, and it's very helpful. So I congratulate even all of you, especially coming here, and also I congratulate all the teachers and coaches, those who took effort, modified our students, helped them to grow in their life. It is not only study,
along with studies, extracurricular activities, sports, games, events, state activities helps you to grow higher and higher in your life. So congratulations and thank you one and all.
Thank you, Father. And I also request you, Father, for declaration of the closing ceremony of the summer camp.
Was this 21 days summer camp sufficient for you? Yes, ma'am? Or how many of you want to participate more? More days you want? So someone more than 75% of the students want to be extended. But I declare 2024 summer camp is closed.
Thank you so much, Father. And thank you to all the mentors sitting here. And thank you, Sister Jaina.